Hi there, my name's Peter Merrick. I'm the Customer Experience Manager here at Technology Core, and I'd really love to invite you down to our stand at EduTECH on the 10th and 11th of August 2022 to come and see some of the innovations that are happening in education technology, as well as some of the things we can do for your classroom. While I'm there, I'm going to be running some inspiration sessions for you to get some ideas for how to use an interactive screen in your classroom using the software and technology you may already have. While we're there, we're going to be having some fun, playing some games, giving you a chance to use the interactive screens, and you can win some great prizes with us by abducting a cow. It sounds as much fun as it looks. So please come on down to our stand at EduTECH this year, and we really look forward to meeting you there. Bye.